Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today, I would like to speak about what are all the skills KSLU 3-year LLB and 5-year LLB students to be nurtured in the student life. There are a lot many skills which is required for KSLU 3-year LLB and 5-year LLB students. So today I am going to speak about what are all the skills which need to adopt in their student life. So it is very important that some skills to improve your all aspects in your life. So what are the main skills which is required for a student of KSLU 3-year LLB and 5-year LLB students? First of all, KSLU 3-year LLB and 5-year LLB students has to develop time management skills. If you manage the time, you can manage anything in your life. First of all, you have to nurture the quality or skills, time management skills. Everyone have a 24 hours of time. Within that 24 hours of time, how to manage yourself in all aspects, self development, business development, any kind of job development, any kind of educational development. Time management is essential for KSLU students. First of all, we have to maintain time very well. How to maintain time management? You should create a timetable for everything. Within 24 hours time, how much you should sleep. Within 24 hours of time, how much time should give your business activities. Within 24 hours of time, how many hours you have to go college. Within 24 hours of time, how many hours you have to give preference to your studies. Like that, you have to plan, or you can schedule each and every hour. Each minute is very important for KSLU LLB students. Now you are not knowing time, what is time. After completion of your LLB, you will come to know what is time. So many people are pending with backlog subjects. Many people have been disqualified from the LLB. You ask them what is the time. They will tell what time, precious of time. They will tell who have been disqualified from the LLB course. So that is the reason my advice is to first skills you have to develop, that is time management skills. If you manage the time, you can change, can improve like anything. So first foremost skill is time management skills. Then second skill is communication skills. You have to improve, you have to adopt very good communication skills in your student life. Why communication is required? Whether it could be written communication skills, whether it could be oral skills. So both communications are very, very important to improve, to grow in your student life. So that is the reason you have to improve your communication skills. How to improve your communication skills? That also I will tell you. Verbal communication skills, how to improve. Whenever you get opportunity to speak in front of the public, in front of the students, in front of any kind of stage you get, please go and attend and speak confidently. You can speak whether it is right or wrong, that doesn't matter, you don't bother. Okay, you have to speak, then automatically verbal or oral communications will be get improved. And one more tip I will tell you: those who don't know Kannada in your college, there are many students are coming from Kerala, they are coming from Andhra Pradesh, they are coming from Tamil Nadu, overall there. You please make them friend. They don't know Kannada, you don't know their local languages, you have to communicate in English only. In that time, if you can able to speak with them in on daily basis, you can improve your communication skills. English communication skills are very, very important for KSLUs, especially 3-year LLB and 5-year LLB students. So it is very important that you have to improve your communication skills. And in many videos, I have advised to write your own notes. If you prepare your own notes, your written communication skills also will be improved. So all KSLU students have to improve their communication skills. The next skill is you have to improve your computer knowledge skills. As you all know, nowadays computer basic knowledge is basic skills are very important. Wherever you go, you have to use MS Office, you have to use internet, you have to use browse so many things, you have to use so many websites. So for that, especially KSLE students, they have to improve their computer knowledge skills, basic computer knowledge skills. That is very important. You have to learn from now itself. Whenever you get opportunity, please join some courses. I know many of the students, they don't know how to use computer, they don't know how to use laptops. So this is very important. After completion of your LLB and while pursuing your LLB, there are so many websites you need to visit, and there are many notes are available in online. That also browsing skills also you have to improve while studying your LLB course. So if you adopt these skills in your student life, obviously you can improve yourself. This is very, very important for your examination point. I have told you communication skills to be improved and time management skills have to be adopted in your life. Then after, computer knowledge or browsing skills to be improved in your student life. These are the tips. Why this is basic tips? You may think that what is this Anil sir speaking, like these are the basic mandatory everyone knows, but don't take my words very easily, because discipline will not come just like that. A perfect practice, every day you have to consistently you have to do it, then only discipline will come. And any kind of skills to be adopted, you need to struggle little bit in your life. How discipline will comes? Through time management. How time management it comes? You have to manage yourself in all aspects. You have to balance. Many of the students have seen they couldn't able to balance time. Maybe they will be very much engaging with their business or agriculture, or some other activities, they are not concentrating on their studies. Some of the students are there, they will be always engaging with only LLB activities. They will not concentrate on other activities in their life. So for that also it is difficult for them to make livelihood in their life. We have to balance. Now itself you have to learn the skills, life skills, art of living skills, how to balance in all aspects, like education, like business, like any kind of part-time job. You have to balance in all angles. So this is how I have learned so many things in LLB. Though I would like to share my own thoughts and views always. My experience I am always sharing with you all. Why? Because I have to grow and my students also has to grow. My concept is always leave, leave and let live policy. I have to grow and my students also has to grow. I have given plenty of videos in my YouTube channel. All videos are very good, very informative. Please do subscribe my channel Anil Kumar KT. Please do forward my videos as many as possible so that they can reach, they can get benefit in my YouTube channel. I have given all subjects very important questions that also very important in your students' life to improve your and you can able to pass examinations very easily. I have given many methods how to preparation your notes, how to manage your time, how to preparation for upcoming LLB examinations, what are the skills to be nurtured, and what are the uh, other things as to improve in our life. Even motivation videos also have been published in my YouTube channel. So these are all why I'm doing is I have to improve and our students also has to improve. That's it. That is the only funda I have. I hope all my videos are very helpful. Please do comment what topic you required from my end. I can able to study myself. I can able to dig whichever you given subjects so I can able to deliver videos on your priority basis. So I hope this video will give on basic idea what are the skills which you have to adopt in students life, especially KSLU 3-year LLB and 5-year LLB students. Thank you.